So from this class we are going to discuss number of example problems to solve problem solving techniques, algorithm and flowchart. Right? So what is class 3? Examples on algorithm and flowchart. Right, first example, addition of two numbers. Addition of two numbers. So how to write the algorithm? First we have to write how to write the algorithm. So in the algorithm we must satisfy the five properties. Five properties. If five properties are required in that algorithm, we must satisfy it. So algorithm. So what is the first step? One is start. Start. Step 2. Step 2. So we need to give the input value for two numbers. Suppose we are assuming the two numbers are x and y. So we need to read x and y from the keyboard. So read x and y. So we are taking the values of x and y. Now step 3. Step 3, we need to write z is equal to x plus y. X plus y. So we are calculating z value. Right? We are calculating z value means we are getting output. What we have to do? We have to display the output value. Write z. Right. So we take in inputs and we take in output. That is over. Finally, what we have to do? We have to stop the algorithm. Step 5. Stop. Right, clear? So addition of two numbers means first we need to take the two numbers and we need to calculate the addition and we need to display the addition. Whatever we are taking the value, we need to display the value. That is right. So by taking inputs we have to use read. By displaying output we have to use write. So now this is algorithm, right? So now how to write this algorithm into flowchart? How to write this algorithm into flowchart? We have to discuss it now. Flowchart for the same question. Flowchart. Flowchart. Right. So what is the first step in the algorithm? Read. Sorry, start. Start means we have to use the symbol is oval. Now, what is the second step? We need to read the input value of A and B. So, read at one parallelogram, we have to take only one value. Read X. Next, read Y. So, we are reading X value and Y value. Now, the third one is we will not discussed in the previous class. That is assignment symbol. Assignment symbol is used to assign right hand side value is assigned to left hand side variable. So assignment symbol we have to use z is equal to x plus y. So this is input x, input y and calculating z value. So now what is the next step? So we need to display the fourth step is write z and next what is finally we have to stop the algorithm. So this is the first step, addition of two numbers, how to write the algorithm and how to write the flowchart. Right? Now second example. So second example. Example to second. Write algorithm and flowchart. Check the given number is even or odd. Is even or odd. So this is the question. Check the given number is even or odd. So when we can call the number is even? If the number divisible with 2, the remainder is 0, that is even number. If the number is divisible with 2, the remainder is 0, then that is even number. If it is not 0, the remainder is not 0, the remainder is 1, then that is an odd number. Now how to write the algorithm? So here I am taking one variable, name is x. So first how to write algorithm? Step 1. What is step 1? Always the first step 1 is start. Step 1 is start. Now step 2, we have to check x is even or odd. So we have to read the even x value. Read x. Right, now what is step 3? If x percentile 2, that means percentile means remainder. If x percentile 2 equal to 0, if it is right, this condition is true, then go to step 4. Else go to step 5. So what is step 4? So we have to print or x, right, we can write x is even. So if the condition is true, we have to print x is even. If the condition is false, print x is odd. So we are printing either even or odd. Over. Algorithm is over. What we have to write the last step? The last step is always stop. So this is the algorithm. Now I am going to convert this algorithm to flowchart. Simply I am going to convert this algorithm to flowchart. Here. Start. Start means what is the symbol we have to use? Oval. Next, read. Parallelogram. Read x. Next condition, we have to use the decision box. What is the condition? X percentile 2 equal to 0. If it is true, the condition is true, what we are going to display? X is even. Suppose if it is false, what we are going to display? Print x is odd. So after maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 or 6th step are executed, or 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 steps are executed. Right? So this is algorithm and flowchart. Check the given number is even or odd. Alright? So if you are happy with these algorithm and flowcharts, we will discuss another 2 to 3 examples in the next class. And if you are happy with that, please share and subscribe and put the bell icon. Thank you.